Step out now, step out now, step out now, step out now. Ready your potions, listen. Spread. We're gonna absorb one, we're gonna absorb big one. Yo, spread, get out of the front line, cleanse up front line, okay? Spread. Q's in the beast, Jibel, you can try to engage inside of them, Spread. You're all on the north side, man. That's not spreading. Ready defenses, Liam looking. Ready defenses, okay? Yo, perma engage, get ready. Ready, potion now.
Shaper engaging
Inside,
southwest.
inside. On Liam. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Liam. Now listen. Come back and spread. Come back and spread northwest. Q's in the beast. Heal up front line. They're gonna engage on the front. Defend shallow. Walk out. Nobody died. Walk out, boys. Walk out. Nobody died. Walk out. Wait, hold. South side, on the gate, get ready. We'll send it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it on the gate. Oh my god, the DPS. Come back. Hold.
Liam walking up. Okay.
Spread. Yo, come back first level. We spread first level again.
Big gear fast, guys.
Nice one, T-Bill. Nice one. Yes, listen. Come back. Okay, good. We're good.
Healthy pa party to mo.
Headbutt, get ready.
Sobrang itaas.
Headbutt, get ready. Where's my vape? Fuck. Yeah, Liam's looking, okay? Defend now. Just wait.
Shaper stuck. Engaging.
Where?
Scotty's engaging.
Listen, get ready. On the gate only, on the tanks on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tanks on the gate. Ay, come back. Hold on. Main engage coming. Heal up. No. Fake. Why is my rigger so slow?
Lumilipat tayo ng south.
Yo, get ready your potions. South side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side now.
Shaper sa akin. Shaper engaging.
Come back. Hold on. Ooh, your DPS is not synced, Zibel. Some DPS missing. Oh, hold on. Careful front line. Careful front line, just chill. Careful front line only. Yo, listen, look at the tanks in the front, Kill them, Wait. Perma engage. Wait. Okay. Yo, heal up front line. Yo, ready. Yo, listen. Ready your potions, Ready your potions. We're gonna let bomb squad engage outside. Then we're gonna, Ready. Defend shallow, okay? They just engage, Jibil.
Keep the stacking.
Stacking the Shaper.
Hold on. Oh, heal my backline.
Harpy coming from this side.
Yeah, wait. East side? Our east side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Parpy's there. Okay. East side shallow, step up. East side shallow, on the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tanks. Come back. Listen. Come back.
Sila ng UC.
I know.
On the front. Help.
I know. Cleanse front line. Yo, ready defenses, okay? Yo, Shaper!
Defend up.
Yeah. Wait, boys, just hold. Yo, listen, everyone, DPS, okay? How many DPS party 2?
3.
Okay. We have 10, we should be deleting, okay? Yo, get ready.
Yung Shaper nasa east side, Stacking east side.
Headbutt, get ready.
Engaging now.
Shaper engaging north side. Shaper, heal north side. On the gate, get ready. Wait. Heal on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Listen, on the gate. Liam's almost dead. Fuck, man. Come back, come back, come back. Hold him, hold him, hold him, hold him. Listen, listen, hold him, hold him. Ready to absorb one, 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 ready to absorb one. Walk in, walk in, walk in, ready to absorb one. Walk in, spread. 8 seconds, just survive 8 seconds. Ready defenses inside, defend inside, defend inside, defend inside, defend inside, defend inside, defend inside. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in. By the wall, by the wall, by the wall. Southeast, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, 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 now. Come back inside, 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 come back inside. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Heal up front line, heal up front line, heal up front line. Yo, listen, listen, heal up front line. Nobody died there, nobody died there. Except Gerald, apparently.
Set lang.
Yeah, just hold, just hold.
Careful sa walls, guys, ah. Don't
Yo,
stick
listen,
to the
listen,
walls.
listen. A fast engage, ah. On the choke there.
Shapers engaging.
Shaper engaging, heal up. Yo, Marlika, get ready. Look at me, look at me. Look at the wall, ah. We're gonna engage on the wall southeast, ah. I need Guardians and Cleanses outside, ah. Listen, on the wall, by the wall, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall, east side now. By the wall, east side now. By the wall, east side now. Listen, listen. Come back, come back. Ready defense on the choke. Ready defense on the gate. Ready defense on the gate. Come back, 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 come back.
Shaper,
Shaper
shaper
stacking
stacking.
south.
Shaper
Shaper
stacking,
engaging.
spread. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Good job, good job, good job. Heal up my tanks, heal up my tanks, heal up my tanks, heal up my tanks, okay?
Light color.
Light collar. Nice one. Okay, heal up Oli. Isabel, a lot of them are on the northeast shit. Yeah, listen, hold on, hold on. Ready defenses. Yo, on the gate only, on the gate only. Perma engage on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate only, on the gate only, on the gate only. Okay, now come back, come back, come back, come back, come back southwest. Come pull back southwest next gate. Pull back southwest next gate. Pull back southwest. Pull back southwest.
Shaper,
Shaper. Heal up! Fast! Come southwest, fast! Come southwest, fast! I'm already inside. You guys are still outside. Now hold. Listen, just hold. Ready, defend shallow. Fake. Everyone step up, 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 everyone step up. Wait, come back, come back, come back. Never mind, come back, come back, come back. Headbutt, get ready. Just hold. Look at me on the tanks only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the tanks only. In the tanks only. In the tanks only. Tanks only. Tanks only. Tanks only. Headbutt. Headbutt. Heal.
Shaper
Heal
stacking.
front line, heal front line. Shaper stacking.
Engaging.
Shaper stacking. Shaper stacking. Shaper stacking east. Good. Listen now. Hold this. Just hold this. Hold this area here. Okay. Wait. Just hold there. Watch the shaper southeast over the wall. Ah. No. He's not. He's not. He's just waiting for me to go outside. Yeah. Go. I'm waiting them to engage on me. Wait.
Guys, heal, guys. Heal in the front, guys.
You're ready to headbutt fast, ah. Ready, defend shallow. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Southeast now. Nice. One of them dead. Come back. Yeah, that's our shaper.
Outside yung shaper nila.
Yeah.
Shaper set, no spec.
Yo, hold on. Yeah, there's hitting. I think some of them are hitting the small gate. Yo, Marlika, step up a bit. Yo, perma engage on the tank shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kill it, please. Come back. One dead. Come back. Two dead. Come back fast. Just guard your armor and spread, okay? Nice one, ZBL.
Shaper stacking. Shaper stacking.
Shaper stacking, okay? Shaper stacking.
Over the wall.
Yo, listen, Marlika.
Shaper
We have
engaging
to...
south.
Yo, careful, heal up. Putatsi, gising. Defend shallow. Oh my god, boys. Come back. Majority of my Zergos already here.
Nag-dodge ako sa shaper papunta dun sa engage nila.
Yo, listen, step up, boys. Step up. Look at, wait, inside, wait. On Parpy, southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on Parpy. Can we kill Parpy here? The fuck? Boys here. Oh, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come back inside, come back inside, come back inside, come back inside. What the fuck's Marpy there?
Baka nagdalag-dalag.
Ready defenses, ready defense up front, ready defense on my bomb, ready defense on my bomb. Oh my god! DBL, let's go!
Patay si ano.
Step up.
Patay shaper.
Patayin shaper.
Dead shaper nila Mugi. Wala sa shaper.
Yeah, wait. Ready defenses? Yo, look at the gate, okay? Southeast on the gate. Wait, north side, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the wall. Now listen, come back, pull back, okay? Deft tanks hold them. They're gonna try to engage inside. Listen, they're gonna try to engage inside, okay? Ready defenses inside. Guard runes, ready. Ready defenses, they're looking deep. Defense shallow. Now everyone walk in now. Walk in now. Everything on top of me. Get ready. Southeast deep east side. By the stairs. 5, deep east side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east side now. Nice. Now listen. Spread and come back. Yo, spread. Okay, spread. Heal up front line, okay? Liam's gonna look. Ready, guardians. Full defense up front now. Full defense now. Nice. Heal up only. Okay, step up again. Shallow, get ready. Shallow north side, by the wall, north side, get ready. Wait, by the wall north side, on the clericals. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, by the north side now. Come back. Kill the one. Come back. Cleanses and come back. Defense shallow. They miss, walk in. 6 seconds, Marlica, 6 seconds. Look at me inside, on the brawlers inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the brawlers inside. Clap this. Come back. Can we kill the brawlers? Come back. Yeah, ready defense on my bomb squad. Kill front line. Ready defense on my bomb squad. Liam looking, get ready to headbutt, ready potions. Listen, potion now, walk in, potion walk in. Go deep. Inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us now. Come back, bruh. Guys, I don't care if you're half HP. Go out. I don't care if you're half HP. Listen to me, I don't care if you're half HP. Go out.
3 minutes also yun.
Come back. They're looking on the gate, ah.
Shaper stacking.
Shaper stacking.
Shaper north side. Shaper engaging.
Shaper north side. Trigger fast. DPS, I don't care if you're half HP. If I tell you to fucking engage. I don't care if you die.
3 minutes also guys. Ingat.
Everyone, WC.
Tubalo si daw.
Like I said, commit. Yeah, listen, shallow. Pull it to the gate. Okay, wait. Listen, on the. Okay. You don't. Alright. Yeah, listen. Come back.
Sana 1v1 yung dalawang balisto.
Shaper inching up.
Listen, shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate. Yo, where's the Guardian offensive? Come back.
Shaper engaging south.
Shaper engaging. Heal up. Defense front line. Heal front line. They don't have engage. On the tanks only, get ready. Listen, get ready. On the tanks, clericals. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tanks only. Can we kill the tanks here? Good job. Now come back. The GA is dead, ah. Come back. Yo, listen, this gate's about to break 38%, okay? I'm down to fight on this area. Just listen. Later, on this area, we just clear
Shaper stacking
the
northeast. Engaging.
Some people can go north side, okay? Listen, on the gate, get ready. Ready defenses, okay? Liam's gonna look, Get ready to headbutt. Fake only, that's a fake. They're waiting for Regears, I'm waiting for my Regears. Shallow, defenses.
Shaper is
Step
the
up.
Shaper is
Look at inside, on the brawlers inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Can you kill the brawlers inside? Nice, come back.
Shaper stacking inside.
Yo, tanks, as much as possible, you can bait and engage, but you can bait and engage, but don't die, okay? I'm just gonna keep engaging shallow on those tanks, on those fucking DPS inside. Yo, Liam's looking, ready, defend shallow now. Step up. We're gonna engage shallow, inside, get ready, On the tanks inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the tanks inside. The healing, tangina, naunahan tayo mag-healing hood? The fuck?
Bagal lang Helion Hood dati.
Mali yung pwesto ng healing ko. Sa ano ko banda. Sa stairs banda yung healing ko.
Pero nasa inside
Nag-reset ako, sir.
Double OC, Marlica. Yo, listen, the gate's about to break. It's 23%, okay? Yo, can we look at this, ano? Can we look at this tank inside of us? Wait. On him, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on him. Kill him. Come back. Tangina naman yan. Tanginang DPS naman yan, mga bungo ang
Ini-engage
puta.
dyan sila sa likod. Ini-engage dyan sila sa likod.
Yeah, listen, step up. No, come back. Liam soaking. My god, man. We just want to kill one tank and you guys don't kill it.
Sino kalaban nila sa labas? Mga rat.
CUC.
UC.
Shaper stacking inside
Liam's looking, he's gonna engage on the gate. Get ready.
Engaging.
Shaper. Everyone listen. Step up now. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. I need a better healing hood, man. Come back.
Ako lang ata mag-isa healing hood.
Gemma, better. Using abuse on this tank inside, hello? Liam's looking on the gate now. Everyone listen, step up, okay? Yo, Liam's looking, ready your potions, listen, potion now. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, leave. Nice. Walk out. Liam dead, walk out. Hold them. Hold them. Walk out. Hold them on the choke. Ready defenses. On the choke, everything 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Ay, loot up. Kill everyone.
Light colors on Earth, oh. Light